Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Tim Pandage. It's a hot day out there today. We're expecting triple digits and mainly quiet overall aside from the heat. Maybe an isolated storm. Chances of that are less than 20%. Another hot day tomorrow, but really for the first half of the day because changes begin to build on in. As we hit the afternoon hours, we're looking at a time frame of noon to 8 p.m. for a cold front to work its way in from the north. And you can see the effects of it down to 92 for our high on Friday. Not a significant drop, but at least we get below average, which should be around 95 this time of the year, and it looks to linger. The front actually stalls out and keeps rain chances up as well. So here are the details. The arrival is tomorrow from lunchtime through around 8 o'clock towards the coast. So it's building in from the north, pushing south. What to expect? Well, like we saw last week, heavy downpours, 1 to 2 inch an hour rainfall rates can easily overwhelm those drainage basins. So street flooding is a concern. On top of that, gusty or damaging winds. These storms could be strong to even severe, and it looks like to impact the entire area during that time frame. Here's how it plays out on future track. Here we are at lunchtime tomorrow. The front is still well to the north, but out ahead of it there could be some spotty showers and even some thunderstorms too, building on into our northern cities and counties. Fast forward 2 hours to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're seeing that front get a little more organized. The front's interacting with the hot, humid air mass in place, plenty of energy available. It's digging in under it, forcing it to rise. So we see widespread showers and downpours. Some of those already packing some gusty winds up to 40, 50 miles per hour. Now, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we're starting to kick off that evening commute as the front draws towards the I-10 corridor into Harris County, Houston, over to Katy, to Baytown, and then pushes even farther south by 5:30. And by 7 o'clock, it looks to be hung up along the coast before it stalls out offshore overnight. And we see our shower chances drop slightly. There won't be any more severe weather, but there'll likely be still a few sprinkles and showers out there too. Now, the risk for severe weather, we grade it from a 1 to 5 scale, 1 being the lowest threat, 5 being the highest. The area in green is a level 1 threat for tomorrow for severe thunderstorms. The main concern, as I mentioned, gusty winds. Even that threat is not terribly high, but it's one of the higher threats we're looking at. On top of that, some street flooding with 1 to 2 inch an hour rainfall rates, tropical-like downpours. Here's a look at rainfall totals as we go through tomorrow night into Friday at midnight. Friday morning at midnight, I should say. Isolated spots, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain, certainly not outside of the realm of possibility, and it will come down over a short amount of time, too. The front stalls out offshore, so rain chances aren't gone after tomorrow. They linger into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday as well, as we look to be entering somewhat of an unsettled pattern going forward. Any impacts from tropical systems? Not looking likely, at least from anything out in the main development region in the Atlantic Basin, which is typically hot this time of the year. We are watching one wave, though, just to the east of the Yucatan Peninsula that is going to track over the Yucatan. No development expected at that point, but once it reemerges into the southern Gulf of Mexico, Bay of Campeche, 20% chance of some possible tropical developments. We'll watch that as it evolves over the next 5 days. 7-day forecast here locally, just hot the next few days. Then a little bit of a break from the heat after some strong storms roll through the area tomorrow afternoon. Lingering showers pretty much straight through to early next week.